Hello, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be going over how to download, install and set up the latest version of Python for Windows. It's really easy to get set up. Firstly, you've just got to go to python.org/downloads. I'll leave a link in the description, obviously. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is come over here and press this big button here. Now I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to run the exe. So you're going to want to press install now, unless obviously you've got somewhere else that you want to set yours up, but I'd recommend just pressing the default one. So install now. You're going to want to press yes. Give that a few minutes. Okay, you're then going to be taken to this screen here. I'm going to suggest that you do disable the path length limit. This is just going to save you some time in future. So I'm just going to press yes on that. Press yes again. Okay, the setup was successful. Now you can get started actually coding in Python. Okay, so you're going to notice now that when you come to your search bar, if you type in Python, you've got access to the terminal here. So you can run Python commands in here. You'll also find that if you type in idle and then run that, it will give you the Python shell. And in here you can just write simple Python code. So if I just type in a simple print hello world statement. And then if we just press enter on this, it's going to print hello world. It's really simple and easy to get set up. Have a play around with it. If you want a more in-depth video series on how to actually get started with the basics of Python, I'm going to leave a link in the description to a whole series of videos. Are really easy for beginners to get started and I'd really recommend them. So yeah, thank you for watching.